Alright, today I'll be coming to you with the chorus to River's Flow, the breakdown part. You all know this, right? E flat. I'm gonna break down the chorus to as the ocean flow from the river to the ocean. So it's first chord in your right hand would be G, B flat, C, E flat, and in your left hand would be A flat, E flat. Second chord would be in your right hand F, B flat, D, and your bass line would be B. Your third chord would be in your right hand F, A, C, and your bass would be A. So these are pretty simple right now. Moving over, your right hand would be A, B, G, and your bass line would be B. Move over to C, C, G, C in your left hand. Your bass in your right hand would be E flat, G, B flat, D, F. Moving over, your right hand would be G, C, E, G, and your left hand would be D, A, D. Moving over, your right hand would be A, D, F sharp, A, and your bass would be E, B, E. This one right here, you will have to hold down two keys with your thumb. Your right hand will be A, B flat, C sharp, E, A flat, B. And your left hand, your bass will be F sharp, C sharp, F. This one also, you will have to hold down two keys with one finger, which would be A flat, B flat, C, E flat, G, B flat. And your bass line will be F, C, E flat. It's drop down. Moving on to the next chord. Your right hand would be A, B flat, F, and your bass would be G, D, G. Next chord, your right hand would be G, C, F, and your bass line would be A, E. Moving over, and your right hand would be A, B, G. Your bass would be B. And next we're moving over to C, G, C in our left hand. And it's that kind of, so I'm going to give you that. Hold down C, G, C in your bass. The first one will be G, E flat, F, D, D, B flat. So it'll be, moving on. Your right hand will be G, A flat, B flat, E flat. Your bass will be F, C, E flat. Moving back on, I just showed you this one. And your right hand would be A, B flat, F, and your bass would be G, D, G. There you go. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go over it again. So you say.